Hi guys, it's Tiff from Scrap Sanity here, and I just wanted to quickly share with you my junk planners for 2026. Now, I am so excited about this project. It's something I've wanted to do for many, many years, and for some reason I just haven't. But I've been inspired watching my favourite YouTubers, and I want to actually document, lots of things this year, like I want to keep a food tracker, an exercise tracker. I want to just document it all and just write down a little bit of what happens each day, because let's face it, we don't remember days, we remember moments. So it'll just be really cool in a few years to look back and just pick a date, for example, 26th of January, and just see what happened, because so many little things happen in our life and we just forget about them. Like, I know there's been heaps of funny things that my kids have said over the years, and I think, I wish I had written that down because I can't remember exactly what it was. But so I'm going to have it all documented, and these are nothing flash or fancy by any means, but it was just about getting the project done, because I knew that if I just did January, for example, and then said, yep, I'll just leave it till the end of the month to do February journal, it's not going to happen. So I just sat down and smashed out the 12 of them, and I'm going to show you them in a minute so that they're done and I don't have to think about it, and I can just enjoy documenting each day without having to think, I've got to make a whole nother journal. So all I did was buy 12 composition books from, the supermarket, Coles, Woolies, Officeworks, wherever you want to buy them. These are actually just Coles and Woolies bags, or you can use Amazon packaging, pattern paper, contact, whatever you want. The most important thing is to just do something easy, because otherwise you're just going to be sitting there thinking, how do I design the cover? So I made them all universal, and I'm going to show you in a sec. I just cut out this little bit of fabric to make a pocket and just added cute little things on the front there. I was able to use all my alphas that I've been hanging on to for years. And so this is January. Also, on Etsy, I went on and I printed out all of these really cool calendars. So you can go on, I'll leave the link below where I got that. So it's just like a monthly view. So you can actually write appointments and whatnot in there. The reason I didn't put it on this page is because for some reason I just stuck that on. I had that there and I just wanted to stick it in there. But with the other months, I'll probably put that planner as the first thing. So it didn't take me long at all, because I just, as I said, had a universal plan. I cut out the 12 bits of fabric for the little pockets. So that's January, and each month has different things in the pocket, just so that I could use them up. It's a great way to get rid of all of your stash. So I've got January, February. So once again, I've just put, things in there that I wanted to. I think that was for Valentine's Day, because that's February. So I just have put little things in there. But yeah, so that's the February layout, and then I've just tucked those inside each one so that they're ready for each month. So Jan, Feb, March. And it was just so much fun putting these little bits in the pockets once again. And I will stick those in when it comes to the month, but I've just placed them in there nicely for now. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. I'm just so excited to have them all. As I say, I've wanted to do this for so long, and it wasn't about making them all fancy. All it is, I can redo these later, but I can't ever redo my daily thoughts or my journaling, because let's face it, we forget. So it was just about doing something easy that I was going to be able to, have ready, so that they're ready to go, and then it doesn't get into the middle of April and think, I really have to do that planner. It's all ready to go, and I just hope that I've inspired you to do it, because it's such a fun project. And who doesn't want to look back, on their life? Let's face it, we've got one life to live. Let's start documenting it. Let's start using up our stash, and just having fun in the process. That's what it's all about. So I hope I've inspired you to create your junk journal planners for the year. And until next time, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, because I want to bring you daily inspiration throughout this year, challenges, prizes, giveaways, get to know you, the whole box and dice. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating. Bye for now.